Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term BBJ meaning. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, BBJ meaning is a slang term found on Urban Dictionary. People use it when they want to understand or explain what BBJ stands for in slang. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. BBJ, meaning first showed up in the early 2000s through online forums and Urban Dictionary entries. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among internet users and youth communities. Now let's check out how to use BBJ meaning in a sentence. Correct example 1. She looked up the BBJ meaning before joining the chat to understand the slang. Correct example 2. I wasn't sure what BBJ meant, so I Googled the BBJ meaning on Urban Dictionary. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said BBJ meaning at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using BBJ meaning right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. BBJ meaning means a slang term found on Urban Dictionary. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with BBJ meaning in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.